Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube video for today, the 30th of April 2026. So let's go through the stocks for on the watch list for today, how we're going to trade them and what is next. We're going to look on the 5-minute for day trades, the 4-hour for what we need to hold this overnight, these stocks, and the daily time frame to look at some potential swing trades. Starting here on AKAN, this one is a bit of a beast. It's been trending up quite hard over the past few days. And on a day trading basis, on the 5-minute time frame, I'm watching this over 50 for a move of plus 8% on this one. Basically, a falling wedge breakout against one-day resistance above all moving averages. When I turn them on, it looks good. Traded this one on the 40 break over here, and all the way up to 54.64. So not a bad trade, about 25%, I think. So not bad. On that one, I'm just waiting for a re-entry and a new trade on this over 50. So it looks good. However, when I turn my indicators on, I think if we were to lose, to be honest, if we were to lose 30 on this one, I would consider the stock done, and the trend for now finished for the uptrend. So we need to hold above 30, and again over 50 on this would be a good day trade for around at least 8%. So looking on the 4-hour time frame, if you want to hold this overnight, I would wait for a 4-hour candle close over 40. To be honest, I think it's safe to be above 40 right now. By the end of today, 4 p.m. Eastern time, end of tomorrow, 4 p.m. Eastern time. If you want to hold this into tomorrow, should be good. Again, if you just lose 30, it's just that's when you want to start cutting it and not be in this stock, in my opinion. As you're going to be looking for another further test of 20 for the Bollinger Band Center around there. So for now, it looks good to hold overnight. To be honest, not too bad. However, the daily time frame, if you want to focus on like larger periods of time for a swing trade, we need a daily candle over 50, just because it's currently around the 200 exponential moving averages for the death cross retest, and also a key major resistance also. So once you get a daily candle over 50, you can expect 60 to be ticked off, and then definitely 70. So you can maybe sell 50% at 60 as some mitigation, and then ride it's around 20%, and then ride the rest for around 40% towards 70, 35% sort of move on that one. It looks good. It looks good. For daily candle close over 50, folding this for a swing trade. And again, just over 40 if you want to hold it overnight and tomorrow. And 50 for a day trade. Just be careful with the 30. So looking on this then. This one is HCAI. So for a day trade on this one, I'll be watching this over 11.5. And once you break over the top of the Bollinger Band, where 95% of the price action takes place in this navy line here, and this navy line here at the bottom, it should be excited and pump up beyond the resistance of 11.5 and move at least 8% in the upwards direction. So I'll be watching that as a resistance and waiting for it to break properly for an entry. And if we were to lose 9 on this one, I do believe the stock to be done. So be careful with 9 if we were to lose that. So for day trade, looks okay, but AKAN I think looks better. The 4-hour time frame here, a 4-hour green candle close over 11.5, but ended today or ended tomorrow, 4 p.m. Eastern time, 30th and 1st of May. Looks good for holding this overnight into the next trading day for potential continuation. Currently got a spinning top here, and the next candle being green, candle close above 11.5 should see us generally continue towards the next resistance of 15 for a retest of around plus 25% on this one. Looks quite good if we were to get that. If we don't get that, I wouldn't hold this overnight. The same as AKA and also what we spoke about on the 4-hour over 40. So the daily time frame, if you want to hold this for longer, I'd definitely wait for a daily candle close over 15, because you've not only got a death cross retest, the 200 simple moving average here, you've also got a key resistance of 15 also. So once we get a daily candle close over 15, we should easily trend back up towards 20 on this for around a 25 sort of percent move. So it does look good. HCAI, I'd wait for the daily on this over 15, and that one looks really good for a swing trade if we were to be lucky enough to get an entry in that one. And then go in here, I do like the daily time frame on this, or OSRH, but we'll go start with the 5-minute. So this one looks good for a day trade, typical setup, consolidation for the good part of 950 here, or 150 here, so 4 hours of consolidation between 0.65 and 0.8. So the larger the consolidation, the larger the breakout, and if we were to break over 0.8, I would expect a move of at least 10% on this one for a day trade. Is it capable? Yes. Will it happen? I'm not sure. I'm just going to sit, wait, and be patient. But if we were to lose 0.62, just beneath the 0.65, you're losing the 60 EMA, the 1 day support of 0.65 and the 200 EMA and 200 MA for the failed golden cross retest in the 5-minute time frame. So if we were to lose 0.62, I wouldn't want to be in this as you're coming all the way down to 0.5, so be careful with that one. And then looking at the 4 hour here, this one looks really, really good. So if we get a if we get a 4 hour candle close over 0.8 on this one, I think we easily continue towards $1, and then beyond that should be quite easy as well towards 1.2. So a 4 hour candle close over 0.8 by end of today, end of tomorrow, 4 p.m. Eastern time, 30th of April, 1st of May, should be really good to see us gradually continue towards $1 on this one. And the daily time frame will tell us more. Yeah, we should come towards 1.15. I think if we were to get a 4 hour or daily candle close over 0.8, we'll blast through $1 and come towards the 200. Let me just double check for you. 200 EMA here. So now it looks really good for a death cross retest. Currently engulfing the see all these moving averages here, which is really strong. I really like this. This is the best one for a swing trade, I think. 4 hour or daily candle close over 0.8 for continuation to 1.15 in my opinion looks really good. So keep that on watch. So that's these stocks. I'm watching these tight, very close and tight. And yeah, hopefully we get a breakout on the next hour or so on these stocks, and the 4 hour and daily candles look good. So check us out, link in the description and the Twitter bio. Got all these seminars that I've made for you, daily trade reviews, etc. So again, check us out, link in the video description and the Twitter bio. So thanks guys, and catch you all later.